Welcome to this technical guide on the Bianca Pop HP 15s-fq. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues where some keys on your HP 15s-fq aren't responding, you're not alone. This can happen due to a variety of reasons, such as dust accumulation, liquid spills, or simply wear and tear over time. If left unattended, it can lead to further complications, making typing frustrating and potentially hindering your productivity. To begin with the repair, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement keyboard compatible with the HP 15s-fq. Now let's move on to the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your plastic prying tool, gently insert it into the seam around the base of the laptop to open it. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once opened, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard, which is typically situated near the top edge. You will see a ribbon cable attached. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the locking mechanism. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, remove the screws securing the keyboard in place. These may vary in size, so keep track of them. Gently lift the keyboard from its position, being cautious not to pull too hard as there may still be some clips holding it down. Once it's free, take your new keyboard and align it correctly with the screw holes. Press down gently until you hear it click into place. Now, reconnect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely locked in. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard. Before closing the laptop, it's a good idea to test the new keyboard to ensure all keys respond correctly. Simply plug in your laptop, power it on, and check that each key functions as it should. Finally, carefully reattach the base of the laptop by aligning the clips and pressing down until it snaps shut. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to keep your keyboard clean by regularly dusting it and avoiding eating or drinking near your laptop. If spills happen, act quickly to clean up any liquid. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.